ॐ श्रीमहागणपतये नमः। ॐ श्रीमहासरस्वत्यै नमः। ॐ श्रीगुरुभ्यो नमः। अथ श्रीमन्नारायणीयं दशका 21 जम्बूद्वीपादिषु भगवद् उपासना prakara varnanam, the worship of the god in Jambudvipa and other places. Madhyodbhave bhuvailavritanamni varshe Gauri pradhana vanita janamatra bhaji Sharvena mantra nutibis samupasyamanam Sankarshanatmakamadishvara sanshraye tvam. The above verse, having 14 syllables in each quarter, is framed in the Vasanta Tilaka meter. In this Dashaka, the mode of worshipping the god Vishnu in the various places like Jambudvipa is described. The earth has 7 dvipas or divisions. The central dvipa is the Jambudvipa. The other 6 dvipas are the Plaksha, the Shalmali, the Kusha, the Krauncha, the Shaka, and the Pushkara. There are 8 mountains in the Jambudvipa which divide it into 9 parts or khandas or varshas. These varshas are Ilavrita, Bhadrashva, Harivarsha, Ketumala, Ramyaka, Hiranmaya, Kuru, Kimpurusha, and the Bharatavarsha. In the center of the earth, in the region called the Ilavrita, only women with Parvati as their chief reside. Here, the god Vishnu is present in the form of Sankarshana. He is worshipped by god Shiva with hymns and praises. The Bhagavata Purana in the 5th Skanda, 17th Adhyaya, 14th passage says, Navaswapi Varsheshu Bhagavan Narayano Mahapurushaha Purushanam Tad Anugrahaya Atma Tattva Vyuhena Atmana Adyapi Sannidhiyate, which means in all the 9 varshas, the great god Narayana remains personally present in his various manifestations even today in order to bless the people. Coming to the verse, Adhishvara, O God, the supreme ruler, Bhuvaha Madhyodbhave, in the middle of the earth, Gauri Pradhana Vanita Janamatra Bhaji, inhabited by only women who have Parvati as their chief, Sharvena by god Shiva, Mantra Nutibihi by mantras and hymns, Samupasyamanam, well worshipped, Sankarshanatmakam Tvam Sanshraye, I take refuge in you who are in the form of Sankarshana. Bhadrashvanamakayilavritapurvavarshhe Bhadrashravobhirishibi parinuyamanam Kalpantagudanigamo praveenam Dhyayami deva hayashirshatanum bhavantam. In the Bhadrashva Varsha, Bhadrashva, the son of Dharma, who is the king of this Varsha, along with the important people of his retinue, worships the favorite manifestation of Lord Vasudeva himself, known by the name of Hayagriva, who is piety personified. The Bhagavata Puranam in the 5th Skanda, 18th Adhyaya, first passage says, Tatacha Bhadrashrava Nama Dharmasutas Tatkulapatayaha Purusha Bhadrashva Varshe Sakshat Bhagavato Vasudevasya Priyam Tanum Dharmamayim Hayashirshabhidanam Paramena Samadhina Sannidhapya Idam Abhigrananta Upadhavanti. The Bhadrashravas realize God's presence through supreme concentration of mind and utter the prayer Om Namo Bhagavate Dharmaya Atma Vishodhanaya Nama Iti. Bhagavata Puranam, 5th Skanda, 18th Adhyaya, 2nd passage. Now, coming to the verse, Deva, O resplendent God, Bhadrashva Namake Ilavrita Purva Varshe, in Bhadrashva Varsha to the east of Ilavrita Varsha, Bhadrashravobhihi, by the Bhadrashravas, Rishibhihi Parinuyamanam, worshipped by the sages, Kalpanta Guda Nigama Uddharana Praveenam, one capable of uplifting the Vedas hidden during the Pralaya. Hayashirsha Tanum Bhavantam Dhyayami, I meditate on you who are in the form of Hayashirsha. Dhyayami Dakshinagate Harivarsha Prahlada Mukhya Purushai Parishevyamanam Uttunga Shanta Dhavala Kritimeka Shuddha Jnana Pradam Naraharim Bhagavan Bhavantam. In Harivarsha, the god Vishnu is in the form of Narahari, the half-human and the half-lion form. The devotee Prahlada and other people in the region, with great devotion, worship the dear form of the Bhagavan. Prahlada is glorified as the sanctifier of the lineage of the Daityas and Danavas on account of his noble life and virtues. In Harivarsha, Prahlada and others chant this mantra, Om Namo Bhagavate Narasimhaya Namaste Jaste Jase Aviravirbhava Vajranaka Vajradamshra Karmashayan Randaya Randaya Tamo Grasa Grasa Om Swaha Abhayam Abhayamatmani Bhuyishta Om Shraum. Bhagavata Puranam, 5th Skanda, 18th Adhyaya, 8th passage, which means Om, salutations to Bhagavan Narasimha, who is the light of all lights. O Vajranaka, O Vajradamshtra, the one having sharp nails and teeth, appear before us, burn down our karma vasanas, swallow up our darkness of ignorance, manifest in our mind and give us refuge. Om Shraum. Now, coming to the verse, Bhagavan, O Bhagavan, Dakshinagate Harivarsha Varshe, in Harivarsha to the south of Ilavrita, Prahlada Mukhya Purushaihi, by people having Prahlada as chief, Parishevyamanam, well worshipped. Ekashuddha giver of the only pure knowledge. Uttunga Shanta Dhavala Akritim, having very lofty, serene, and white form. Naraharim Bhavantam, you in the form of Narasingha. Dhyayami, I meditate. वर्षे प्रतीचिललितात्मनिकेतुमाले लीलाविशेषललितस्मितशोभनाङ्गं लक्ष्म्या प्रजापतिसुतैश्च निषेव्यमाणं तस्या प्रियाय धृतकामतनुं भजे त्वाम्. The Ketumala Varsha to the west of Ilavrita Varsha is extremely beautiful. Here the god appears in a specially beautiful form and has a graceful smile. He has adopted the Kamatanu, that is, the appearance dear to goddess Lakshmi for her pleasure. The word Kamatanu can also be understood as the god taking the form of Kamadeva or Cupid or Pradyumna. Now coming to the verse Pratichi to the west of Ilavrita, Lalitatmani, beautiful, Ketumale Varshe, in the region of Ketumala, Leela Vishesha Lalita Smita Shobhanangam, with a form specially beautiful with a graceful smile. Lakshmya, by Lakshmi, Prajapati Sutaihi cha, by the sons of Prajapati, Nishevyamanam, worshipped, Tasyaha Priyaya, for the pleasure of goddess Lakshmi, Dhrita Kamatanum, adopting the form dear to Lakshmi, Tvam Bhaje, I worship you. Ramyeshu Dichi Kalu Ramyakanam Nivarshe Tadvarshanathamanuvarya Saparyamanam Bhaktaikavatsalamatsarahritsubantam Matsyakritim Bhuvananatha Bhaje Bhavantam. In the Ramyaka Varsha, the god is in the form of the divine fish and is worshipped by Vaivasvata Manu, the ruler of that region. The Bhagavata Puranam in the 5th Skanda, 18th Adhyaya, in the 24th and 25th passages says, Ramyakecha Bhagavataha Priyatamam Matsyam Avatara Rupam Tad Varsha Purushasya Manoho Prag Pradarshitam Sa Idanim Api Mahata Bhakti Yogena Aradhayati Idam Cha Udaharati Om Namo Bhagavate Mukhyatamaya Namaha Satvaya Pranaya Ojase Sahase Balaya Mahamatsyaya Nama Iti, which means in Ramyaka Varsha, the god showed to Manu, the ruler of that Varsha, his beloved form of divine fish, which was shown to him earlier also. Manu even now worships the same form with great devotion and chants this mantra. Om, salutations to the Supreme Bhagavan in the form of the divine fish, who is the embodiment of Sattva, who is the life giver of the sense organs, and one who gives strength to the body and mind. Now, coming to the verse, Bhuvananatha, O Lord of the universe, Udichi Kalu, to the north of Ilavrita, Ramyaka Namni, named Ramyaka, Ramye Varshe, in the beautiful region, Tad Varshanatha Manuvarya Saparyamanam, worshipped by Vaivasvata Manu, the ruler of that Varsha. Bhakta Eka Vatsalam, having only love towards his devotees. Amatsara Hritsubantam, shining in the heart of people who do not have any jealousy. Matsyakritim Bhavantam, having the form of the fish. Bhaje, I worship. वर्षं हिरण्मयसमाह्वयमौत्तराहम् आसीनमद्रिधृतिकर्मटकामटाङ्गं संसेवते पितृगणप्रवरोर्यमायं तं त्वां भजामि भगवन् परचिन्मयात्मन्. In the Hiranmaya Varsha, the god Vishnu has assumed the form of a tortoise. Along with the residents of that region, Aryama, the chief of the Mains, worships that dear form of the Lord and continuously chants the mantra Om Namo Bhagavate Akuparaya Sarva Gunaviseshanaय अनुपलक्षितस्थानाय नमो वर्ष्मणे नमो भूम्ने नमो नमो वस्तानाय नमस्ते. Bhagavata Mahapuranam, 5th Skanda, 18th Adhyaya, 30th passage, which means Om, salutations to the divine tortoise with a form full of sattva guna, whose presence is not seen because it is under water. Salutations to this form, to the infinite Lord and to the supporter of all. Bhagavan Vishnu takes the tortoise form to support the mountain Mandara. When the Devas and Asuras churned the ocean to get nectar, they placed the Mount Mandara in the ocean, around which they encircled the serpent Vasuki as the rope for churning. When due to the force of churning, the Mandara mountain shakes and becomes unsteady, Bhagavan Vishnu assumes the form of a tortoise and supports the mountain with the hard back of the tortoise. Coming to the verse, Parachin Mayatman Bhagavan, O Bhagavan, full of supreme consciousness. Hiranmaya Samahvayam, the Varsha called Hiranmaya. Auttaraham, to the north of the Ramyaka Varsha. Asinam, residing in that Varsha. Adri Dhrita Karmata Kamatangam, having the form of a tortoise capable of holding the mountain. Pitrigana Pravaraha, the chief of the Mains. Yam Aryama Sansevate, whom Aryama worships. Tam Tvam Bhajami, that you I worship. Kinchotareshu kurushu priyaya dharanya sansevito mahita mantra nuti prabedaihi damshtragraghrishta gana prishta garishta varshma Tvam pahi vijnanuta yajna varaha murte. In the land of the northern Kurus, God Vishnu, the Lord presiding over sacrifices, dwells in the form of the divine boar. Along with the people of the Kuru region, the goddess Earth adores him with great devotion and repeats this mantra. Om Namo Bhagavate Mantra Tattvaliнгaya Yajñakratave Mahadvaravayavaya Mahapurushaya Namaha Karma Shuklaya Triyugaya Namaste. Bhagavata Puranam, 5th Skanda, 18th Adhyaya, 35th passage, which means salutations to the God who is known through the mantras, to the God who presides over sacrifices, to the God whose body is constituted of the great sacrifices. Salutations to the great God, the performer of pure actions, and who manifests himself as sacrifices in the three yugas. Coming to the verse, Kincha again. Vijñanuta Yajña Varaha Murte, the God in the form of Yajña Varaha, praised by the enlightened people. Uttareshu, to the northern region of Hiranmaya Varsha, Kurushu in the Kuru Varsha, Priyaya Dharanya by the beloved earth, Mahita Mantra Nuti Prabedaihi by many great mantras and praises, Sansevitaha worshipped, Damshtragra Grishta Ganaprishta Garishta Varshma, having a huge form which is rubbed against the surface of the clouds with the tip of the tusk. Tvam Pahi, protect me. Yam yam disham bhajati kim purushakya varshe sansevito hanumata drida bhakti bhaja Sita Bhirama Paramadbhuta Rupashali Ramatmaka Parilasan Paripahi Vishnu. In the Kimpurusha region, Hanuman, the great devotee of Bhagavan Rama, with great devotion, along with other Kinnaras, worships Rama, the Adi Purusha, the elder brother of Lakshmana, and praises him with the following mantra. Om Namo Bhagavate Uttamashlokaya Nama Arya Lakshana Shila Vrataya Nama Upashichitatmana Upasita Lokaya Nama Sadhuvadanikashanaya Namo Brahmanya Devaya Mahapurushaya Maharajaya Namayiti. Bhagavata Puranam, 5th Skanda, 19th Adhyaya, 3rd passage, which means, Om, salutations to Bhagavan Rama, who has an auspicious name, who has noble virtues and behavior, who is fully disciplined, who always serves his people, who is the ideal for all good deeds, who is the personification of the Supreme Brahma, who is a great man and a great ruler. Now, coming to the verse, Vishnu, O God Vishnu, the all-pervading Lord, Yam Yam Disham Bhajati, situated to the south of Ilavrita, Kim Purushakya Varshe, in the Kimpurusha region, Drida Bhakti Bhaja, with great devotion, Hanumata Sansevitaha, worshipped by Hanuman, Sita Bhirama Parama Adbhuta Rupashali, having the most wonderful form dear to Sita Devi. Ramatmakaha Parilasan, shining as Sri Ramachandra. Paripahi, protect me totally. श्रीनारदेन सह भारतखण्डमुख्यैस्त्वं साङ्ख्ययोगनुतिभिः समुपास्यमानः आकल्पकालमिह साधुजनाभिरक्षि नारायणो नरसकः परिपाहि भूमन्. In the Bharatavarsha, God Vishnu, out of compassion, has assumed the form of Nara and Narayana for showering his grace on good people. In this Varsha, the God, for the welfare of people, performs penance till the end of the Kalpa. In Bharatavarsha, Sri Narada, along with other important devotees, worships the God with the hymns based on the Sankhya and Yoga systems and chants this mantra. Om Namo Bhagavate Upashamashilaya Uparatanatmyaya Namo Kinchana Vittaya Rishi Rishabhaya Naranarayanaaya Paramahansa Paramagurave Atmaramadhipataye Namo Nama iti. Bhagavata Puranam, 5th Skanda, 19th Adhyaya, 11th passage, which means, Om, salutations to the God who is self-controlled, who is without any ahankara, who is the wealth of the poor, and who is the calm Naranarayana. He is the great teacher of the Paramahansas and the master of the self-contented people. Again and again my salutations to him. Now coming to the verse, Bhuman Iha Sri Naradena, O infinite Lord, here by Sri Narada, Bharata Kanda Mukhyaihi Saha, along with the foremost devotees in the Bharata Varsha, Sankhya Yoga Nutibihi, by knowledge, by yoga and by praises, Samupasya Manaha, well worshipped, Akalpa Kalam, till the Pralaya time, Sadhu Janabhirakshi, protecting the virtuous, Narasakaha Narayanaha Tvam, you Narayana along with Nara, Paripahi, protect me. Placherkarupamayi-shalmalayindurupam Dvipe bhajanti kushanamani vannirupam Kraunchemburupamathavayumayam cha shake Tvam brahmarupamapi pushkaranamni lokaha. In this verse, it is said that God Vishnu is worshipped as the sun in the Plachadvipa, as moon in the Shalmali Dvipa, as fire in the Kushadvipa, as water in the Kraunchadvipa, as wind in the Shakadvipa, and as Brahma in the Pushkaradvipa. Ai Bhagavan, O Bhagavan, Lokaha Tvam, people worship you as Plache Arkarupam, in Plakshadvipa as the sun, Shalmale Indurupam, in the Shalmali Dvipa as moon, Kushanamani Vannirupam, in the Kushadvipa as fire. Ata Kraunche Amburupam, and in the Krauncha Dvipa as water. Shake Vayumayam cha, and in Shakadvipa as wind. Api Pushkara Namni, and in the Dvipa called the Pushkara, Brahma Rupam Bhajanti, they worship you in the Brahma form. Sarvair Druvadibirudu Prakarair Grahaischa Puchadikeshvavayaveshvabikalpyamanaihi Tvam Shinshumaravapusha Mahatamupasyaha Sandhyasurundinarakam Mama Sindushayin. In this verse, the poet addresses the god Vishnu as reclining on the ocean and says that the god should be meditated upon by the enlightened people in the form of the great fish Shinshumara during the 3 Sandhyas, the morning, noon, and the evening. All the stars, like the Dhruva star, and all the planets are to be imagined as forming the limbs of Shinshumara. The poet requests the god to eradicate his suffering. Hey Sindushayin, O God reclining on the ocean, Puchadikeshu Avayaveshu, in the limbs like the tail and others. Abhikalpyamanaihi Druvadibihi, imagined as the Dhruva star and the like. Sarvaihi Uduprakaraihi, with all the groups of stars. Grahaihi cha Shinshumara Vapusha, with planets as the form of Shinshumara fish. Sandhyasu, during Sandhya times. Mahatam Upasyaha Tvam, you worshipped by great people. Mama Narakam Rundi, stop me from going to hell. Patalamulabhuvisheshatanum bhavantam Lolaikakundala-viraji sahasrashirsham Neelambaram Dhritahalam Bhujaganganabir Jushtam Bhaje Haragadan Guru Gehanatha. In this verse, the form of God Vishnu as Adishesha, or the great serpent, is described. Bhagavan is in the form of Adishesha in the Patala region. He has 1,000 shining heads, in which there is one kundala or earring moving. He has a blue dress and has a plough in his hand. He is worshipped by the Naga ladies. Coming to the verse, Patala Moola Bhuvi, at the bottom of Patala, Lola Eka Kundala Viraji Sahasra Shirsham, with one moving kundala and shining with 1,000 heads. Neelambaram Dhritahalam, having a blue garment and holding a plough in his hand. Bhujaganga Nabihi Jushtam, worshipped by the Naga ladies. Shesha Tanum Bhavantam Bhaje, I worship you in the form of Shesha. Guru Gehanatha Gadanhara, O Lord of Guruvayur, eradicate my diseases.